This urban crib has got all the bells and whistles of modern urban living. From outside, it's evident that this amazing house is built using shipping containers. This beautiful dwelling is constructed from 2 extra wide shipping containers. The containers are stacked to create a 2-story modern dwelling. On the ground floor level, the space under the top container serves as the outdoor living space for the lower unit. The upper unit has got its covered outdoor living space sitting on top of the container below. There is an external staircase that connects to the upper unit, enabling it to operate independently from the unit below. The general concept of the design assumes a bedroom on the extreme end, a wet core in the middle, and open plan living on the opposite end. The living room is basically open plan with custom furniture pieces to make good use of this amazing shipping container setup. There is also a modern kitchen, which is basically a single-walled kitchen with stainless steel appliances and all modern kitchen setup with storage and adequate counter space. The dining assumes 2 different setups for the 2 units. There's one that has got a sizable dining space next to the kitchen and another one with the big dining setup in between the lounge and the kitchen. There is a modern bathroom with all bathroom essentials, including a shower stall, a toilet, and a wash hand basin. The bedroom is equally sizable and cozy with a fan light for indoor thermal comfort, wooden trim for the headboard, and wooden flooring. The upper story has got a big covered deck which provides extra living space to complement the limited indoor living in the upper unit. There is a special corner with a nook for family lounging and encouraging outdoor living. On the lower level, there is a private courtyard with outdoor sitting and dining kind of arrangement, making maximum use of the open space on the ground floor level. These 2 layouts create all the possibilities that are available for transforming shipping containers into modern living spaces. These 2 units operate individually, and there is an amazing listing on Airbnb for a guest house. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Before I jump out, if you've been looking for a building guide, don't forget to check out our new release of how to build a shipping container house. Download 2 free chapters of the book using the link in the description below.